The BYD Formula Leopard Titanium 9 has been waited on for so long. And today, at this Chengdu Auto Show, it has been officially unveiled. Looking at the actual car, its sense of volume is really huge. The vehicle length exceeds 5.2 meters, and the wheelbase reaches 3.1 meters, making it undeniably a large plug-in hybrid SUV. Compared to the Leopard 7, with its sense of volume, standing right here, you will feel it is a complete behemoth, significantly larger even than their Leopard 8. In terms of technology, this car still utilizes the 1.5 TDMO plug-in hybrid system, paired with front and rear dual electric motors. As for the chassis, it is likely a body-on-frame non-load-bearing body. Inside, the smart cockpit will also feature BYD's DiLink smart cockpit system. For assisted driving, the roof is equipped with a LiDAR sensor, which means it will be equipped with at least the Eye of the Gods B assisted driving system. This car doesn't have an official price yet, but with the entire vehicle sitting right here, and the sheer height of its front end, driving it will definitely make it an SUV with an imposing presence. If its price could simply add a modest $5,000 on top of the Leopard 7, for instance, starting at $22,980, I think this car has immense potential to become a blockbuster hit. Lastly, regarding its range, it will utilize a 66 kilowatt-hours battery pack, and its pure electric range will exceed 300 kilometers. In fact, having a 300 kilometers pure electric range is more than enough to handle daily household commuting. Not to mention that this car also comes with a spacious 6-seater layout. Brothers, take a look at the side profile of this Leopard. It is truly very tall and massive. I am 1.80 meters tall, and standing right here, I can't even reach its roof. The physical presence and sense of scale on this car are simply immense. Using me as a reference, a 1.80 meter tall guy, having this car right in front of you is remarkably imposing. I think if you can really buy such a large SUV for around $25,000, especially with 5-seat, 6-seat, and 7-seat configurations available to choose from, it is definitely destined to be this year's sales champion among large plug-in hybrid SUVs. We can certainly look forward to it.